Good morning. This is Steve from Southeast Pennsylvania with a little update here. It's Saturday morning, July 10th, and I'm out at Lake Nockamixon, a trail I haven't been on for a while, Church Road Trail. We had a good rain come through last night, so it's a bit muddy this morning and challenging to find spots that you don't sink into at times. So that was not one of them. Anyway, today our daughter is leaving for Tennessee and then Texas to visit with college friends for about a week, maybe 10 days. And so we have a trip to the airport later today. I think we leave here around 2. It's been rainy, and I've been trying to get out a little bit more. I'd honestly only been running like once or twice a week, and always on Saturdays on a trail. This is my 3rd run this week, I think. I think I ran Monday and Tuesday. So, not a whole lot else going on. We had a nice visit last weekend with our grandson, Elliot, and his parents. And Elliot was not crying so much as the first time, which is some progress, which I need to remind the parents of, because it can get discouraging day after day, waking hour after waking hour, crying. So we saw some periods of time where there was just fascination with the world, and that was nice. I feel like I'm out of breath early today. Let's see, a little bit on the ham radio side. Lake Nockamixon is a state park, and I've now set up the radio 3 times to make contacts, and from different parts of the park. Need to find the perfect area. We'll see. I was beside the lake on Wednesday night, just looking over. It was a hot and humid night, and the contacts weren't great, but anyway, had some success. Ooh, trail maintenance needed here. Just ran through a nice rose vine, crossing the path about neck high. If Cindy Field were with me, it would have been over her head, I think. But for me, it's about neck high. I learned that Cindy and Jennifer Ziegler have not run trails before, not this kind of trail. So I think we have we have a challenge to get out on the trail, but maybe not in these conditions unless they have good mudders. This trail used to have a cat area where there were feral cats, and somebody would feed them. They would all scatter as you approached. That's gone. It's been gone for a couple of years. But I was wondering if there were remains of it anywhere. And since I didn't notice anything, it seems like it's been cleared up pretty well. All right, well, I'll keep this to a minimum. Just wanted to check in for the week. Hope you're all doing well. Enjoying extra miles for those of you who do that. And have a great week. This is Steve, Southeast Pennsylvania. And we're signing off. Take care.